Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can trade options on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, make sure you have options trading enabled. To do that, tap your account icon, go to Settings, and under Investing, make sure Options Trading is turned on. Once that's done, go to the stock you want to trade and tap Trade, then Trade Options. You'll see calls on one side and puts on the other, along with expiration dates at the top. You can buy or sell options depending on your strategy, for example, buying a call if you expect the price to go up or buying a put if you expect it to go down. You can also create advanced strategies like spreads and straddles, depending on your account level. After choosing your contract, tap Review, then swipe up to place your order. You can view and close your positions anytime under your portfolio. And that's it. Now you know how to trade options on Robinhood step by step. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.